Hello everyone, I hope you are better in your own home. Nowadays, I was starting past continuous tense. I request you please my scene video end. However, you are understand past continuous tense. Okay, let's start. First, let's understand what is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense, that was the time it was happening in the past, that is called past continuous tense. First of all, we know about continuous tense. Continuous tense, it is the work doing something like continue, that is called continuous tense. Suppose कि I was playing in the garden, the work is doing continue, but it is happening in the past. Okay, so it is called past continuous tense. Let's an examples to understand about past continuous tense. Okay, they were walking, the work is doing is continue, walking is a continuous. Okay, they cannot walking to a stop, that is walking is a continuous, walking is a continuous, they cannot stop to walk. Okay, but it is the time were happening in the past, that is called past continuous tense. Let's an example to understand continue. Okay, I was reading, मैं पढ़ रहा था, that was the time, it is happening in the past, but it is a continue. Okay, यानी कि reading, यानी कि जो भी हम लोग कार्य कर रहे हैं वह that is it is the work that is called continue. Okay, suppose playing, reading, sleeping, laughing, it is the time, it is a continue. Okay, that examples we shows that is the working is continue. Okay, let's see to the structure. What is structure is past continuous tense. To solve past continuous tense, subject plus was were plus verb का ing, यानी कि whenever I was adding ing, that is so continuous. Okay, that is so it is the work I can doing continue. Suppose when I was adding plus ing about verb like playing, play plus ing, it shows that the work to be continue. Okay, like this playing, it is a working is continue. Okay, and it is the work happening in the past, that is called past continuous tense. Okay, take an examples to identify. Okay, I was playing football, the work is doing to be continued, meaning playing football, the work is doing to be continued. Was is a main verb, that is identify, it is a past, and verb plus ing it is shows I was talking to be continue. Okay, यानी कि past continuous tense. Let's see again what is continuous tense. Continuous tense, that is the work that is doing continue, and past is happening in the past, that is called past continuous tense. Okay, I was talking about rule second. We understand, suppose I am doing some things and just happening other works quickly, that is called past continuous tense. Okay, this is called about rule second. Let's example and understand about rule second. I was reading when he came in. The work is doing to be a continue, यानी कि reading like this continue working. He doesn't matter कि when he come in, when he go out, but the working time is that time to be a continue working. Okay, let's see to the other examples and understand about rule second. Okay, it was raining when he went out. जब वह गए तब वर्षा होना शुरू हो गई. ओके, द वर्क इज डूइंग टू बी कंटिन्यू. ओके, जब वह गए तो वर्षा होना शुरू हो गई. ओके, द वर्क इज डूइंग टू बी कंटिन्यू. आई होप यू आर अंडरस्टैंड रूल सेकेंड. ओके, सिंपली रूल थर्ड कॉल डैट टू वर्क इज डूइंग इन वन टाइम, यानी टू वर्क इज डूइंग इन वन टाइम, like this reading and रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग यानी कि टू वर्क इज डूइंग टू बी कंटिन्यू, that is called past continuous tense. Rule third. Well, let's an example to be understand. While he was dancing, I was singing. Two work is doing in one time, like this dancing and singing. यानी कि two work is doing in one time. While he was dancing, I was singing. यानी कि मैं डांस भी कर रहा हूँ और गाना भी गा रहा हूँ, यानी कि टू वर्क इज डूइंग इन वन टाइम. इट इज़ द रूल थर्ड, डेट इज़ कॉल्ड पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस. आई होप कि आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगा, तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक कर दें एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दें, ऑल पर घंटी पर क्लिक कर दें ताकि नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आप तक पहुँचे, और शेयर कर दें अपने दोस्तों के साथ. थैंक यू माय वॉचिंग वीडियो.